This is Scott from KIG. This is our video number 2 on this Temptek 20 ton. We're going to turn it on and bring it down to a set point of 48 degrees right now. Before we do that, worth mentioning or reminding, this is a 3-phase chiller, so the phase rotation is important. The easiest way to check that is when you first start the unit up. You can have this cover off here, and you can briefly turn the on button on while somebody's looking at the back of the pump to make sure the phase rotation is okay. Or, for that matter, the fan, because it is a 3-phase fan motor also. Make sure that's spinning in the right direction. If it's not, turn the power off at the chiller and your main disconnect, and change any of the 2 main incoming power leads coming into that terminal box inside the electrical enclosure area. Before we turn it on, because it is kind of loud, especially in the shop here, the unit operates on a differential and has hot gas capacity control. So we're going to bring it, set it down to 48, and then the chiller is going to chill down to 48 and a degree or 2 below that. When it gets a degree below that, the hot gas solenoid valve kicks on and it starts bypassing some of the refrigerant to keep the compressor going a little bit more, and then it'll turn off a degree or 2 below the set point. The chilling will start again approximately 3 degrees above set point, so effectively an overall differential of about 5 or 6 degrees. So we're just going to turn the unit on right now. And the set point right now, it goes through a little check process, then defaults back to what the current temperature is. It did just chill down to like 85 degrees or so. And we have the set point at 90. The flow, by the way, we have, let's check what our flow is. Yeah, it's right about in that 50, 60 degree, I'm sorry, GPM range, which is what you want to see for optimum cooling. And this is the simplest controller they make. You just press the down button, and we get a lower limit of 48. Anything below 48 degrees, you would need to run a glycol mixture and consult with us how to make that change. that set point, 48 or maybe a degree below it, we'll see the light come on for the capacity control or hot gas bypass. Right now the light is indicating the compressor's on. So the number is actually 4 degrees below set point is when it'll turn off, and a couple degrees above set point when it'll turn back on. In the real world, when you have a heat load, that capacity control will delay the slow down that cooling, or more accurately stabilize that cooling on or around or just below the set point much more accurately than what you see here with just a small tank test load. But that's it for this first unit here. We have been running it for several days, gone through several things and some cosmetic things, and straightened out some coil pins, but this unit is ready to work. This is Scott from KIG, and our website is kigsales.com. Thank you.